Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to avoid mixed DML error in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the mixed DML error only operates or shows when you try to start setuping or you trying to use some operation on the user's access records or related objects, such as the object's permission, the permission set assignment, or like the user role or the user. So basically, you will need some way to bypass or some way to avoid this mixed DML operation error. So basically, we can go to the developer console, and here we can use a method by using an annotation or the future decorator. So from here, we have this mixed DML class, and basically, when you are going to insert the user, since the user is has related with the user or the user role objects, you will have the problem of our mixed DML. And basically, to avoid this error, we need to use the future annotation. So basically, instead of start calling the methods or start manipulating your object directly, we can just do some bypassing by using this insert user method that will automatically or that we will have it defined in another class to start changing or creating a user. So basically you will need just to use this future annotation or decorator so you can bypass the mixed DML error. And by that you won't have your problem again. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.